Related to that, one of the important aspects of the marriage contract is register your marriage. The best time to register your marriage is either before the nikah or with the nikah. Before, because some officiators don't have the nikah license. Some of them choose not to do it because they don't want to conduct nikah. Like one of the ways I ward off having to do the nikah, also a test of intelligence, right, is simply someone says, could you conduct my nikah? I don't have a marriage license. Oh. The one of them said, you tricked me. I said, how? He says, I could have just gotten the marriage license. It takes 15 minutes, 10 minutes. I said, oh. I didn't say anything further. So you can get it before or with the nikah, but one of the grave mistakes is do not put it off. And one should be wary of saying, okay, we'll get it done after. And this is especially true for women. Right? For women. You can get stuck in an Islamic marriage and then people deny everything. People deny everything. Say, well, they shouldn't. No. Stripped, if anger, other negativity clothes someone's reason, you have to work on the assumption that human beings are a rational animal. Law protects us from each other's animal self. But you are an animal. You're dignified by reason and religion, and never shed the dignifying cloak of reason and religion, but in anger and other things, they are like cattle, but they're more misguided because cattle don't get violent. Cattle, well, they do, but it has less harm than human wrongdoing. In many Muslim countries, it is illegal. It's a criminal offense for a scholar to conduct a marriage without it being registered. Right? So, for example, in Syria, I've seen many of my teachers, they would ask, Sheikh, could you conduct our nikah, this and that? Said the divorce is in process. We'll get it registered as soon as... I said, no. One of them says, ما بدي اطلع في السجن. I don't want to go to jail. Right? And for good reason, because sometimes people from certain wealthier Muslim countries would come to Syria, for example, get married to someone, spend the summer over there, and spend lavishly, but then disappear. Now, there's no record of the person getting married. So in court, you can't, court is based on procedure and process. So this is one of the very important things. Don't put it off. And also, you may be lazy. The other person may be lazy. People use all kinds of emotional and other tricks. So just get it registered in advance or at the marriage.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله